Welcome back. This video will provide an overview of the invoicing module within HearForm Pro. The invoicing module is one of the most important parts of HearForm Pro. The module allows you to create any number of different types of purchase agreements, lets you create and bill with CMS 1500 forms, track receivables, and also provides extensive financial reporting. The invoice module has been optimized to save you time and make financial processes as efficient as possible. The financial tracking module allows you to see how your practice is performing with hundreds of different kinds of report combinations. Reports can be displayed as summary, in detail, and in graph form. Let's take a look and see how the invoicing module will work, and we'll follow up this video with a large number of individual specific videos that'll help you understand each of those parts. So I'm on the HearForm home screen, and I'm going to click this button here, which takes me to the intermediate screen called the invoicing portal, and here I can see a previous invoice for this particular patient, and I'm going to either go to that previously created invoice or create a new one, and we'll come back to that again in the subsequent video. But let's just take a very quick overview and see how things are going here. From this module, I can create invoices, purchase agreements, or sales contracts, whatever you want to call them, and I can add a series of different line items or charges to those. I can apply payments to those, and then I can print those invoices as accessories, a basic receipt. We can customize any number of different forms, a delivery receipt, insurance receipt that goes to the patient, a repair form, return for credit form, the most popular perhaps the sales agreement, a service agreement, and you can print a medical waiver right here. So we'll go over this again in subsequent videos, but here we can also go to the receivables area to bill, to create statements, to create receivables reports. We can go with sufficient rights and privileges. We can go to the financial tracking area, and this allows us to create any number of different reports, as we'll talk about later. We can also go to the CMS 1500 module and click through a series of tabs to be able to print or e-bill for those different claims that you have for given patients. So there's a lot going on in this area that we'll talk about. For example, how to create notes, whether they're insurance notes or invoice notes, and assign loaners or mark hearing instruments to devices for repair, etc. But this gives you an overview of how we're going to work with the invoicing module, and you do need to understand these top buttons up here. The product list will allow us to create an unlimited number of products and services, again covered in a subsequent video. It's very important that you set up your products and services first in order for the invoicing to work properly. The invoicing list shows us let's show all invoices, a list of all the invoices in the system. The line item shows us a list of all the charges, and we can do searches, and we'll go over that again subsequently. And the same is true of our payment list here. So please follow up with us watching some of these other videos regarding the invoicing module. I think you'll find it to be very helpful.